Welcome to Rosa's Portuguese Kitchen. On this episode, we are making bacalhau com broa. Stick around to see the end result. Bacalhau com broa, which means codfish with cornbread. 2 pieces of codfish, 1 small cornbread, 200 milliliters of olive oil, 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of pimento paste, parsley for decoration, and rapini and potatoes to serve with the codfish. Start by cooking the codfish in water for 5 minutes. Once cooked, remove the fish from the water and set it aside. In a pan, cook the chopped onion and garlic in olive oil for about 10 minutes until softened. In a separate bowl, combine the crumbled cornbread with olive oil, chopped garlic, pimento paste, and some pepper. In a baking dish, place the sautéed onions at the bottom, then lay the codfish on top. Cover the codfish with the cornbread mixture, pressing it down lightly. Bake the dish in the oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Once cooked, garnish with fresh parsley and serve with rapini and small potatoes. Enjoy this traditional Portuguese dish full of flavor and combining goodness. Thanks for watching how to make my bacalhau com broa. Hope to see you on our next episode. Please like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Faça e coma!